I remember quitting community college in just my second semester, and people thought I was crazy. Walked in class the second day after getting paid from Sallie Mae, and I had a plan. I said it ain't much, but I can work with it. $3,500 in my pocket and everybody labeling the brother like I'm some kind of fool, but only to be fooled that I had a valuable tool and plan all along. And I got on my knees and prayed. Father, show me the way even if it takes me missing a Sunday. Oblivious of knowing that church can't save you. Reading between the lines, this shit reminded me that it ain't about hip-hop or getting shot 9 times because 9 people died trying during Bible study. And if that's the plan that God had for them, then I could give a fuck about how you feel because it's real out here. Real in the field. And I'm coming like Adrian Peterson with a big shield. Ooh, I'm dream chasing like a nappy-headed meat meal because this right here is the rodeo. Not everyone is meant to go toe-to-toe with the Brahma bull because they don't want to meet rock bottom, and that's okay because you can just stay in your lane because I got moves to make. You stuck in your house at 34 splitting rent with a roommate, but I'm the one that's Coco? Get out of here. The God in me shall have no fear, so I don't need your opinions and likes to confirm my validity of being here. Too many people wake up daily like they gonna get another life but keep playing. Popping Molly, snorting coke, man, I ain't here to judge you because there once was a time when at least 300 days out of the year 2012 when I consumed 2 champagne bottles a night. I'm surprised I'm still living. I had to ask, what am I doing to myself? Sometimes you gotta take a step back and reflect on how your loved ones would feel if you weren't breathing anymore. I got a reason for chasing this door that no one seems to see. Not everyone is meant to be understood, but until then, let me do my thing. You ain't gotta hang. The dream that's promised to me already has my signature on it. It's just sitting there, waiting on me to hold it in peace like a Vince Lombardi trophy. Defeated my opponent. That's that good old World Series, Stanley Cup, NBA Finals moment.